How to set up content monetization on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your page. Then click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Professional Dashboard. In Professional Dashboard, at the top, scroll to the left and click on Monetization. In my case, I'm not eligible, so if you're eligible, you'll find content monetization. There, you will need to press on Set Up, and after you've clicked on Set Up, you will need to sign up, select your business info if it's your business account, which is set up your payment account. After you have added your account, you're good to go. This is how to set up content monetization on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.